Okay guys, I'm going to give you the exact time frame I expect us to break out of this current pattern we're in. If you notice, I add an orange fib circle to the C1 chart. I have an arrow pointing at this ring, says break point. I believe when we cross this ring, this is when we'll be breaking out of this pattern. I believe that we're going to be breaking to the downside. I'll show you why this is the case. Remember, you can access all these live charts on my website. Link be pinned in the first comment description. If you use my Big Get affiliate link, that's pinned in the first comment description as well. And by the way, guys, I feel like I'm not getting a lot of love for these videos. If you want me to make these videos daily, get the likes up to like 1,500 or 2,000. Otherwise, I'm gonna start making a video every few days and make these videos less frequently. So that's up to you. If you watched the last two videos I put up, I told you if we pushed up, a likely point to get rejected was 47,600. This is a video talking about how it played out. That played out perfectly. I'll put a link up to this video now if you want to check it out. So again, I've been talking about this video, guys, or I'm talking about this chart in videos for the past almost 2 weeks now about this chart and why I felt so confident that we would break down from this point. This would be a fake out. That is this video here. Again, I go into detail how much we dropped every time we hit one of these lines. So go back and watch that video. I'll put a link up to it now. So again, I'm going to zoom in and just show you how accurate this damn, and before I even do that, you know, if this pattern that we broke to the upside from, this pattern right here, you know, typically when you break up from a pattern like this, your target would be the distance of the mouth. So we should have broken up at least, you know, to around 55,000. We didn't. We got stopped out at this white line. I told you we would get stopped out where I said too short. And look how damn accurate this has been. You had 4 points too short. We hit it. Let me make this bigger so you can see it. We hit it once at 48,200, perfect point short. Pushed up again, you had another point short, 48,098. Pushed up again, perfect point short, 47,708, and another perfect point to short, 47,596. So again, you can see how accurate these charts are. I know someone will say, but you could be adding the lines after the fact. How do we know you're not cheating? Well, that's why I published the charts, just for those people that for some reason think this is, you know, it's got to be fake or magic. Guys, this was published on March 26th. This cannot be edited. Once you publish a chart, it is how it is. And watch what happens when I hit play. There's those 4 wicks right at that white line. And again, I believe this is the top. We are coming down from this point. We do need to discuss April 1st though. If you watch that video I put out, if you go back through my videos, it was called The Elephant in the Room, which is April 1st. So statistically, and I'll give you this time frame, guys, but statistically on April 1st, we always, if you bought on April 1st, price pushed up after the fact. But understand this, okay? For some reason, I see people even in Discord and on Twitter saying, oh, does that mean on April 1st we can get a pump? No, that's not what it means. It means that after, so if this is April 1st, this blue line right here. So if you bought right here, price pushed up from this point. It could take days or weeks. I'm just saying, statistically, if you bought on April 1st, price pushed up after that point. I'm not saying we're going to get a pump on April 1st, all right? I'm just saying it is very possible after this point price could push up, but again, I think it will be another fake out. So if price does come down and does something like this, right, this would be an ideal point to buy because this is the top of the pattern we broke out of. So it's very possible price could start pushing up, right? But again, once we hit this line is a damn barrier. As you can see, price cannot get above it. So I believe that will be the last fake out, and then we will come down. And as I have said, I'm still in my short. My take profit is down around this area. And when we break this blue ring, I think that's when the capitulation begins. But this price target, just a rough idea. Again, there's a lot of wicks, so it's hard to nail down this pattern. That's why you want to have access to the charts, H1C, 1C, 1BG, because they give you specific points to enter your long, enter your short. But around 44,600 seems like a likely point to take profit if you want if you want to chance a long here. I do think that is where we're headed to. But again, I'm playing the long game. I think we're coming way the hell down. So let me give you some price targets. I did want to cover, let's see here. Wow, we're really coming down, guys. So the time frame for this, obviously we could just drop straight down, and as soon as we break this point, we could break it. So that could happen today. But I just want to show you the apex for this ring. We got about 58 minutes left in this candle. So the apex, if we continue sideways, we're coming down to support right now. So our resistance is 47,439. Your support is right here at 46,538. So we could get a bounce from that point. If that is the case, the apex for this ring is about 9 hours. So we'll cross this ring in about 12 hours. So if we do get a bounce here, again, that's 46,549, and we start consolidating, moving sideways, again, the apex is going to be in about 9 hours. We cross it in 12. So I think by that point, we'll be breaking out of this pattern. I will give you price targets, guys. I just want to go over a few more things. Let's see. So this is the last video I put up where I was talking about the Dow Jones, about this orange ring. And I said it's possible. Either we get rejected from this point and come down. Remember, if Bitcoin follows indices, indices down, Bitcoin down, indices up, Bitcoin up. So it's either we get above this point and your next target for the Dow was 36,641, or we get rejected and it's likely we're coming down to 32,928. So I'm going to show you how this has played out so far. This is that same orange ring. Notice we got rejected right at it. And again, you can see the Dow's coming down, Bitcoin's coming down. You can see how overextended the MACD and the RSI is right now on the Dow Jones. Same for the Bitcoin chart. Look at the MACD, way overextended. The dark green starting to turn light green, so letting you know that it's starting to curl down. And you can see the RSI is overextended as well. So it is very possible we drop down to support, then we get a fake out again to push up, and again I believe this white line will be the top and it is down from here. So guys, the Dow currently is down 195 points. Pay attention, guys. Bitcoin follows the market. So let me give you some price targets to pay attention to. So we'll have to see how this plays out. This is your current support that needs to hold, 46,549. If that breaks, your next support is just below at 46,396. If that breaks, your next support level to watch, guys, if you have access to the charts, just look left. Look at that perfect bounce off of that ring. Again, guys, that's the great thing about fib circles. And we pushed right back up. But your next major support is right here at 45,500. Your next support below that is right here around 45,000. So it seems like there's a lot of support around 45,500 to 45,000. And again, if we do come down, notice 45,500, 45,000. That's pretty close to where this this support is, the top of this pattern you broke out of. So it does seem like that's a likely target to hit if you want to chance along there. Let's move on. So you can see we're coming down. This is the C1BG chart. So your next major support on this chart, notice we got a moving average. I'll try to get this video up quick, guys. Sorry I'm talking so fast. Your next support to watch, you can see this line right here. This was previously a lot of resistance. You can see there's also a moving average there. So likely, it seems like 45,000 to 45,500 is going to be a lot of support. If we do break below that, your next support level is 45,000. Wow, we're really coming down. I need to get this video up quick. This is the H1 chart. I did add some new fib circles to this chart, guys. If you have access to them, make sure you hit refresh. Your next support level below is 46,168. Your next support below that is 45,683. And you will have very, very strong support down here at, let me duplicate this, down here at 43,742. Guys, I think I was going to cover more, but I'm going to get this video up quick since price is dropping. Remember, guys, you want to access these charts, websites, altcorecrypto.com, link pinned first comment description. Use my Bitget affiliate link. That's also pinned first comment description as well. Guys, trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.